Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy J5 2016, for the first you have to go for the settings and right now go for the connections. Right here we have to go for the more connection settings, tap on the printing and go for the Samsung print service. And as you can see in our office we can find the Samsung printer, but if you got any other brand you have to go here for the download plugin. Right now we go smoothly for the Play Store, and for example if you got the brother printer you have to get this plugin and you will find here the brother print service. And right now if you want to print something you have to go for that thing, so I think that I can take a screenshot and it will be saved in the gallery. So I'm going to try to print it. I think it will be in the images. Oh yeah, here it is. Click on that. Click here. And as you can see, right now we don't have this option, so let's move on the right upper corner, tap on the print. And all we have to do right now is just to select our print. We can also save it to the PDF. And right now just click on this printer icon and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.